Hi guys, I am Shiv Prasad. This is my new homemade corrugated plane. I have made this plane for demonstration of product deliveries with the use of drones. So this plane can fly at given Google location and it will drop the payload like this and it will come back to takeoff location. I have installed flight controller system in this plane. So except takeoff and landing, everything is autonomous. So after takeoff, it will fly to given Google location. It will drop the payload. And once it drop the payload, it will come back to takeoff location and then we have to land it. So for testing purpose, I have made this simple waypoint mission in mission planning software. We will take off from here. Once take off, I switch the plane into auto mode. So then it will go to waypoint 2. Its altitude will be 65 meters at waypoint 2. Then it will go to waypoint 3, 4, 5 and 6. While doing this, its altitude will drop to 40 meters because we want the payload should be dropped from lower altitude. At waypoint 6, I have given the payload dropping command. So here the payload will be dropped. We will be standing at the same point so we can analyze if the payload is dropped successfully or not. Then it will go to waypoint 8 and 9 and it will take return to launch command. So it will go to takeoff location and it will loiter above our head. And then we can land the plane manually. Now I will fly it and I will show you the demonstration flight. Now everything is ready. I will take off now. Now takeoff is done. You can see the plane is flying. I switch the plane into auto mode and you can see it's moving towards waypoint 1 autonomously. I'm not touching any remote controller key. Still it's flying. You can barely see the plane because it's too far away from us. It's around 250 meters from our takeoff location. But with the use of telemetry, you can check the live status of your plane in your laptop. As you can see, the plane passed waypoint 2. Here is the altitude, which is 65 meters. And now it's dropping because we are reaching towards our dropping point. Here you can see the velocity and all the parameters related to flight. Now it's crossed waypoint 4 and it's moving towards waypoint 5. Now the payload should be dropped. As you can see, the payload is dropped. Now the mission is completed. Now plane will autonomously loiter above our head till the time we land the plane. So this is also autonomous. Plane will autonomously loiter above our head. As you can see, I am not touching any remote controller key. The remote is in my hand. Okay, so now I will take manual control and I will land the plane. Okay. As you can see, plane is steadily moving towards ground. With the flight controller system, landing also becomes very easy. You can see it's very stable during landing also. After landing, I will go through few log files and I will check the flight characteristics. So it's going to touch down now. So after the flight, we just go through the log files. I have opened barometric altitude graph. So you can see at waypoint 1, the altitude was approximately 65 meters. So we are able to get it. Again at waypoint 6, where the payload is dropped, our required altitude was 40 meters. So it is approximately 40 meters. And then it continues the further flight. Here in Google Earth also, we can check the flight. So we take off from here. Then this is a complete path traced by the plane. From side view, you can check the altitude also. As you can see at waypoint 6, the altitude was approximately 40, and at waypoint 1, which is 65 meters, you can see the difference. So we are successfully able to get the required altitude also. So the next part, I will put some camera on the plane and we will map some area, and then we will go through accuracy and quality check of the map generated by this plane. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked the video. If you have any doubts, then please write down in the comment section below and subscribe to my channel. Happy flying.